Alright, hello CMS, I'm just recording this. I just got a server connection timed out. I was just in a match with Accept and uHPoZe. I don't know if it just kicked me out of the game. I don't know. My connection never shits out like that. You can see right there, Accept and uHPoZe. I was just in their match. I think they just flooded me off. I don't even know. See, my laptop has 4 bars. There you go, look. You must be signed into Xbox Live to play Xbox Live matches. Yeah, I just got flooded offline. See, I cannot connect. Yeah. Disconnected from Xbox Live. Alright, well, now we know that players uHPoZe and Accept flood. I'm still not connected to Xbox Live. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have to restart my Xbox. Just give me a second to get that back on. See if I can reconnect now. See, I have not lost internet connection or anything else. Like, let's see. The game battles page should load up normal. Well, I'm logged out. Well, that's fucking amazing. Yeah, I shouldn't have bet. I'll show you where that fucking works. Oh yeah, my internet just popped up right there. Okay. So, I now have internet, but we'll see. I still cannot connect to Xbox Live, I don't think. We'll look. That's not the right account, but regardless. Yeah, I can't sign in. Exactly. Yep, I just got flooded offline by uHPoZe and Accept. I don't know what they do. I'm going to try to get back online as fast as I can. Alright, thank you, and have yourself a good night. Peace out.